Maximize your universal savings account in 2025 stocks, bonds, and ETFs explained. Learn how to combine stocks, bonds, and ETFs to supercharge your universal savings account for tax-free wealth growth in 2025. Ready to take your universal savings account USA to the next level? In this video, we will dive deep into how to use stocks, bonds, and ETFs to maximize your savings and grow wealth tax-free in 2025. Whether you are new to investing or a seasoned pro, you will learn actionable strategies to build a balanced portfolio, manage risks, and stay committed to your financial goals. Here is what we will cover: what universal savings accounts USAs are and how they work, why combining stocks, bonds, and ETFs is a game changer for your savings, common challenges investors face and how to overcome them, real-world examples of people growing wealth with USAs, pro tips for setting goals, tracking progress, and celebrating milestones, packed with fun stories, actionable tips, and even a little humor. This video will help you turn your savings into a financial powerhouse. If you are ready to get serious about your financial future, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out my coaching program for personalized guidance. Imagine yourself standing in a bright, welcoming space with upbeat music playing in the background. A screen behind you displays the title, Maximizing Your Universal Savings Account with Stocks, Bonds, and ETFs. Hey friends, ready to turn your Universal Savings Account USA into a financial powerhouse in 2025? Whether you are just starting to invest or looking to take your savings to the next level, this is the video for you. Today, we are breaking down how to use stocks, bonds, and ETFs to grow your money tax-free. We will tackle the challenges, give you practical solutions, and even share some fun examples to keep it real. Let's make your savings work as hard as you do. Section 1. Understanding the basics of USA's stocks, bonds, and ETFs. First, let's lay the groundwork. Universal savings accounts, USAs, are like the Swiss Army knife of savings. They let you invest your after-tax dollars in a variety of assets like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. And the best part? You can withdraw your money, including gains, tax-free for any purpose. For example, imagine you put $5,000 into your USA in January and invest it in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. By December, your investment grows to $6,000. You can take out that $1,000 gain without paying Uncle Sam a dime. Section 2. Choosing the right investments. The problem with so many options: stocks, bonds, ETFs. How do you pick the right one? It can feel overwhelming, especially if you are new to investing. The solution: diversify your portfolio. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. A mix of stocks, bonds, and ETFs helps balance risk and reward. For example, Mike, a graphic designer, put 50% of his USA funds in stocks for growth, 30% in bonds for stability, and 20% in ETFs for diversity. When the stock market dipped, his bonds cushioned the fall. Solution: to start with ETFs. ETFs are a great starting point because they are like a basket of investments. Instead of buying one stock, you are buying a little piece of many stocks. For example, Sarah, a teacher, invested in an ETF that tracks clean energy companies. She loves knowing her money is supporting something meaningful while it grows. Solution 3. Use index funds, index ETFs, like ones that track the S&P 500, are low cost and have a history of solid returns. For example, Alex invested in an S&P 500 ETF and saw steady growth over 5 years without worrying about picking individual stocks. Section 3. Managing risk. The problem: investing comes with risks, and watching your portfolio drop in value can be stressful. The solution: set your risk tolerance. Ask yourself, how much risk can I handle? If you are younger, you can afford to take more risks because you have time to recover. For example, Emma, a 25-year-old entrepreneur, invests 80% in growth stocks and 20% in bonds. Meanwhile, her 50-year-old dad prefers 50% stocks and 50% bonds for less volatility. Solution 2. Rebalance your portfolio. Adjust your portfolio every 6 months to make sure it stays in line with your goals. For example, Lisa noticed her stock investments grew faster than her bonds, shifting her portfolio to 70% stocks. She rebalanced to bring it back to 60-40. Solution 3. Focus on long-term growth. Do not panic over short-term market dips. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. For example, John saw his stocks drop during a market correction but stayed invested. A year later, his portfolio bounced back stronger than ever. Section 4. Maximizing returns. The problem: how do you get the most out of your investments without unnecessary risk? The solution: dollar cost averaging invests a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. This reduces the risk of buying at the wrong time. For example, Rachel contributed $500 monthly to her USA. Some months the market was up, some months it was down, but her consistent investments smoothed out the ups and downs. Solution: to focus on low-cost investments, high fees, eat into your returns. Look for ETFs and mutual funds with low expense ratios. Example: Tom switched from a mutual fund with a 1.5% fee to an ETF with a 0.1% fee, saving thousands over the years. Solution 3. Invest in dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks provide regular income while also growing in value. For example, Alex invested in utility stocks that paid quarterly dividends. He used the dividends to reinvest, compounding his growth over time. Section 5. Staying committed. The problem: it is easy to lose focus or feel discouraged when results are not immediate. The solution: set clear goals, write down why you are investing and what you hope to achieve. This keeps you motivated. For example, Emma's goal was to save for a down payment on her dream house. She kept a vision board next to her desk to stay inspired. Solution: to track your progress, use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your investments. Watching your growth can be incredibly motivating. For example, Mike used a finance app to track his portfolio and loved seeing his net worth grow each month. Solution 3. Celebrate milestones. Hit a big savings goal. Treat yourself to something small but meaningful. For example, Lisa celebrated hitting $10,000 in her USA by taking herself out for her favorite sushi dinner. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling, with upbeat music playing in the background, ready to maximum your returns on your investments in 2025. Click the link in the description below to get started. So, there you have it: how to use stocks, bonds, and ETFs to maximize your universal savings account in 2025. With the right strategies and a little patience, you can turn your savings into a powerful tool for building wealth. If you are ready to take control of your financial future and want personalized guidance, check out my coaching program. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Let's make 2025 your most successful year yet.